What do we cover in this section? We created our first ASP.NET Core web app on Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux. On Mac OS X and Linux, we utilized the Yeoman generator. We made sure we had a stable version of Node.js and made sure that our .NET version manager and our DNX runtime were installed and upgraded. On Windows, we created a scaffolded ASP.NET Core application utilizing Visual Studio 2015. We also compared a full framework application versus an ASP.NET Core app. We compared the differences between the JSON files in the web.config and the DLL dependencies of a full framework app versus an ASP.NET Core app. We also examined the file structure and package managers associated with an ASP.NET Core app. On the client side, we examined Gulp and Bower. Bower is used for a package manager to install our client-side packages such as jQuery, Bootstrap, AngularJS, and Gulp is used as a task runner to be able to compile and minify all of our CSS and JavaScript files as they're being compiled in the application itself. We also took a look at NuGet packages associated with server-side assemblies that compile all our dependencies in our ASP.NET Core application. We examined the project.json file, the global.json, the startup.cs, and all of the different dependencies associated in the file structure of our ASP.NET Core application. In the next lecture section, we are going to actually create our course project. We're going to start from scratch, so our application is not going to have any dependency built in it. And then from there, we're going to examine C#, go over the basics of C#, and then examine all of the new features of C#6. My name is John Cherry. Thank you for joining me in this section.